Is hijab simply an item of clothing? Many girls and women think that they can practice hijab by only wearing the khimar or the scarf, even if the rest of their dress is revealing or tight. Others think hijab is only about covering their bodies with proper Islamic dress. Indeed, clothes are an important component of hijab, but the dress code must be accompanied by modest behavior with others, especially with members of the opposite gender. Hijab in Arabic means barrier. Barrier between two things. Therefore, hijab should put a barrier between the girl and the unwanted attention of the men around. We should not limit our understanding of the hijab to just the piece of fabric. Rather, hijab reflects proper dress along with othering to a chaste attitude and decent behavior as well. There are girls who physically cover their bodies, but in reality, they are more exposed than a woman who uncovers her hair and wears a short sleeve shirt. Playful behavior is difficult to define, but people know it when they see it. Giggling and loud voices next to boys, mixing with men, touching them, and improper conversation and body language are all signs of improper and playful behavior. Our environment can be such a major influence on us. The society we live influences the way we live. Am I right? The Western societies are very effective at promoting certain lifestyles that unfortunately do not fit with the principles of Islam. Also, if we spend a lot of time with people who are not Muslim or who don't wear the hijab, we can easily fall into a habit of dressing in a non Islamic way. This applies to both men and women. Am I right? Dressing a certain way can become a habit that is difficult to break. Make sure you spend time with sisters. I mean, this is for respected sisters. Okay, make sure you spend time with sisters who do observe hijab. They'll be a wonderful source of encouragement to you. We all need good examples of how life can be fulfilling and fun without compromising your Islamic identity. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَقُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِنَّ وَيَحْفَظْنَ فُرُوجَهُنَّ وَلَا يُبْدِينَ زِينَتَهُنَّ إِلَّا مَا ظَهَرَ مِنْهَا وَلْيَضْرِبْنَ بِخُمُرِهِنَّ عَلَى جُيُوبِهِنَّ. And say to the believing women that they cast down their looks and protect their chastity, and they should not display their beauty except what appears thereof, and let them cover their bosoms with parts of their khimars. It might be difficult to wear hijab in the beginning, but you have to make the sincere intention, the niyat to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Trust that He knows what is good for you and have the desire to try your best under all conditions. When you do that, then it is possible to follow an outward level of modest clothing and it will become part of who you are. You will feel proud to show the world that you are an obedient Muslim. This applies to men also, as I said earlier. And your confidence will increase. Once you get used to it, you will be a positive influence on other sisters who will also do the same, and it will not be a big deal. Okay, at this point, what should boys do? Muslim boys should respect and support their Muslim sisters. Brothers and sisters in Islam should always support each other. Some immature girls, yes, will often play with their scarf or their hair to get attention. You need to help them by not giving them the bad attention that they want. Let the teachers and parents handle the girls who are playing around. Support the girls who are dressing properly by giving them even more respect and space in recognition of their good efforts.